In today's video, I'm going to teach you the important TradingView settings and how to use TradingView step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key options that make your charts cleaner, easier to read, and more useful for your analysis. First, open TradingView and click Chart to open the chart screen. This brings you to the main workspace where you'll see a default symbol and time frame. Don't worry about the symbol itself right now. We're focusing on the layout and visibility so your chart is tailored to you. Now, click the Chart Settings gear icon on the top toolbar. This is your control center for how everything looks and what information is shown. You'll see several tabs, and we'll walk through the most important ones. Start with the Symbol tab. Here you can choose your chart type, candles, bars, or a line chart, depending on your preference. Candlesticks are popular because they show more detail at a glance. Adjust the candle colors to something that's easy on your eyes and clearly distinguishes up moves from down moves. You can also set the background color here. A neutral, low-contrast background is great for long sessions and helps your indicators and price action stand out. Next, go to the Status Line tab and enable OHLC values and indicator values. OHLC stands for Open, High, Low, and Close, and seeing those numbers on your status line gives you precise context for the current bar. Turning on indicator values places live readings for your indicators right at the top, so you're not guessing what a line or signal represents. Open the Scales tab and enable Symbol Last Price and Countdown to Bar Close. Symbol Last Price shows a clear label at the current price level, making it easy to spot where the market is trading. Countdown to Bar Close adds a timer that tells you when the current candle will finish, which is especially helpful if you time entries or confirmations by the close of a bar. Go to the Appearance tab and turn on grid lines if needed. Grid lines help with alignment and reading price levels quickly. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can keep them subtle or off. The key is choosing what improves your clarity. When you're done, click OK to save your settings. Finally, click Layouts on the top toolbar to save your chart layout. Give it a descriptive name so you can return to this exact setup anytime without reconfiguring. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.